Okay, first of all, I'm going to tidy this program up a little bit. And what we will do is now take a look at the update statement. Now, the update statement allows us to modify one or more existing records in our table at the same time. Now, in this example, we're just going to focus on updating one record. But to update multiple records, the same sort of thing applies. So just as with the insert statement, we first of all would declare a work area. We would then fill our work area with the data that we want to update the record with, and then proceed to execute the update statement, which would take our data, update the record in the database, and then give us back a return code to tell us if the update was successful or not. So as we have already got a table structure, or work area structure should I say, WA employees, let's use that so we don't have to declare it again. But what we will do is change these contents. So we will let this insert statement run through, insert the record, and then we will update it with some new values. And instead of Westmore, let's use Eastmore. And we will change the guy's name to Andy. Now, very similar to the insert statement, might as well copy this checking as well. What we will do is instead of insert, we will use update. And just like the insert statement, the simple form would be just update Z employees. And that would update using the header record. But as we don't want to do that, because it's the old way of doing things, we want to use our separate work area. So, back in our program, we would say update Z employees from our work area. So that's it. We don't need to do any more coding. Let's just test it out. So I'll save the program. Let's make sure it compiles okay. Oh, we do have a problem. Let's have a look. Missing period. Oh, just off the end if. There we go. Everything looks good. We'll put a breakpoint in and run through. So we're going to insert our record. Check for the SY sub RC on the insert. Yes, it's 0, so everything is good. And now we're going to get to the update. So the first thing, which I forgot to do, but it doesn't really matter in this case, is I should have used the clear statement and cleared out employee surname and forename. But because we are updating every single field again, it won't really matter. So I'll step through. The employee is exactly the same. Our surname will change to Eastmore. Forename to Andy. Mr. Date of birth. Now the next one is the update statement. So first of all, while we're here, let's bring through the other session. We'll do a refresh. There's our new record. Let's go back and execute this update. SY sub RC is 0, so that indicates everything is good. Oh, and look, I didn't update the actual comment to say record updated correctly. Never mind. But because the update has been executed, if I do a refresh, we should see Eastmore change to, we should see Westmore change to Eastmore and Bruce change to Andy. There we go. And I'll just press F8 to zoom to the end of the program. And there's our output. get rid of that breakpoint. And just for completeness, I am going to change this. And it would be nice to put these on a new line, wouldn't it? There we go. And you know what? That is it for the update statement.